Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a laminating trick at home. No need for a laminator, just a regular iron. So exciting, possibilities are endless. If you like it, don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Whee! I'm sure you heard the saying, necessity is the mother of invention, and that's exactly what happened here. I was making a wreath for my bestie, and I wanted to add a newspaper printout, but I knew it would get destroyed in the weather elements. I know the laminators are not that expensive, but I couldn't wait to get one, so I started looking around the house to see what else I could use. The closest thing I had to the laminating pouches were the protective sleeves I got at the Dollar Tree. I decided to use them with some parchment paper that I also had from the Dollar Tree, and of course my regular iron. I inserted my newspaper printout into the sleeve, leaving the space all around the picture. Then I put it on my ironing board in between two parchment paper sheets. I heated my iron to maximum heat, no steam, and then went over the whole thing a few times up and down. I was pressing firmly but going slowly to make sure that I don't move or wrinkle the picture underneath. And then I flipped it on the other side and repeated the same steps. I didn't see any smoke coming. I figured, why not? Give it a try. What's the worst that could happen? I'll lose a sleeve and one sheet of printout. It was very hot, so I decided to wait for it to cool off. After a minute, I peeled off the top layer and I was amazed. Wow, it actually worked. My picture got laminated. Can you believe it? It was just a regular cheapy sleeve from the Dollar Tree. I cut around the edges and my newspaper clipping looked amazing. It was just the perfect touch that I needed for my Halloween wreath. The cherry on top. So inexpensive. Can you imagine the possibilities now? Take an up-close look and I will show you one more trick. Of course, I couldn't stop here. So I looked around the house some more and decided to try the same trick with a sandwich bag. I figured everyone must have one in their house. I decided to laminate a sheet of music, a Christmas carol that I could use for my Christmas DIY. I set the picture in the middle of the bag, leaving the space all around, and cut off that zipper part. And then I follow exact same steps, put it in between two parchment paper sheets and pressed it down. I was so amazed to find out that it actually worked. You can laminate in a sandwich bag. Did you know that? Cut around the edges and voila, you got a laminated picture. Amazing. My sandwich bag was actually a thicker plastic than the protective sleeve, so I think it came out even better. Look at that. Just perfect. right, my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future videos, more creative ideas on the budget, and also comment down below and let me know what you're gonna be laminating now, okay? Take care, see you next time, bye bye.